great. My mic's up again. Go Hero 5.
Oh, Sandy.
I should take my glasses. Definitely, because a GoPro ain't worth a shit.
Here.
Oh yeah, holy shit. Wow. Yeah, and there's water coming through here. Maybe that way, but...
Yeah, let me see if I can pour something through.
Definitely wouldn't be able to take the bikes.
I think people have. I just don't,
Not the way we're going.
That's pretty solid.
Silt, yeah.
Run off from that.
Oh, wow, yeah, I see it. It's pretty good because it's high, so they might not have had the humps to park the cars.
Parked them in the flat.
Right. Wow, that's a pretty good sized screen. What's that behind there? Gravel bank?
Yeah. Yeah, these are all from here on down. Holy shit, quite the structure, Chief.
Oh, yeah. Telephone poles.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah.
Still standing. Throw the projector on. Place a Nintendo on it.
That's,
Tonguing like car siding.
yeah.
For behind it, right?
Unless it's asbestos board. Who knows for the year of it, you know?
State of Connecticut would never let asbestos board just hang out here.
I don't know, man. That's asbestos board.
Is it?
I'll bet you anything. With snapping like that?
Yeah.
99.9% sure that's asbestos.
That was the big thing, yeah.
Oh, fireworks.
Fireworks.
Or actually, that might have been a rocket. Someone's little
Hobby rocket?
Yeah, right? Doesn't it look like that?
Kinda,
the little ones you buy?
Yeah.
I don't think you see that on a firework, maybe.
Not really.
No ticks.
No, it doesn't look like any on you.
Oh, yeah.
I'll walk through that. Ah, you already did.
Whoops.
Yeah, they're all over.
Yeah, got me.
Yeah.
Got me too. Hitchhikers.
Probably where the old
Snack bar, maybe?
projector.
Yeah, snack bar with the projector. Oh, yeah.
Green pipe.
Yeah, someone. Uh-huh. Yeah, you know how they're usually set up. The shitters are behind.
Yeah.
Then you got the snack bar and wow, it got us good.
How's it going?
Bring it in.
All right.
How you been, man?
Good, good.
This how the better half lives.
For real, just take it around your yard.
Yeah, go around the yard.
Do it. It ain't gonna hurt you.
I'll do it another day.
Fucker.
It's so soft though. Look. Oh man, look how nice and soft that is. I lowered it an inch, and the seat's about 3/4 of an inch lower.
Wow.
Sit on it. It's probably as high. It's probably as high as him anyway. Yeah, you gotta watch that bag. That's about it. You feel how nice and soft that is though?
Well, I don't need a
It's-
650.
No. You know, like a 650 is heavier. It's heavy.
Those are a huge bitch.
Because these are a 250 class.
He's the reason I thought I needed a 650.
No.
Small.
Matter of fact, these 400s have almost the same amount of horsepower as the 650s.
You gotta go with that shit sumo wrestling style.
See, but you get exercise getting on and off too.
Yeah, you do. As soon as you get on, you're like
Oh, it's floating.
into it. Yeah.
You hit the bumps and it's like, woof.
Yeah, his.
Yeah, yours is.
Yeah, it's like it floats. It's like a magic carpet. You hit something on this fucker, you know it.
There's a big market and not a lot of them out there. That's the problem with these. Like you find it for so much money. Like that's why Chewy ended up getting a brand new one.
A lot of 400s going for like 2,000 and 3,000, but I
Nothing
don't know
that
what kind
nice.
of price that is.
Yeah, that's an old probably kickstart.
Okay.
I got this for 36, and normally they're about 45.
Oh.
That's a 2013.
Tell me your D-Rod.
All right, man. Nice place
Thank you. Get you over for dinner.
for sure.
Bikes involved. Sit out on the patio. Have a good evening.
Yeah. Hey. Haha. No trespassing.
That other one did.
No. We'll do the other one. Oh yeah.
On the right.
Yeah. Got a few hornets' nest up there.
I saw a fresh truck tire track.
I did too. Where them deer went, there's another road that went up that way.
Really?
It's too thick.
It looked like.
It's too thick. A lot of seedlings, you know, like that big all through in the middle.
Take it easy, Cheez.
Take it easy.